Hello, my dear students. Hope you all fine at home. Today we'll take up a new chapter from our grammar book, chapter number 3, Alphabetical Order. What is alphabetical order? When words are arranged in the order of letters, as in alphabet A to Z, then the words are said to be in alphabetical order. Words are arranged in alphabetical order according to the first letter. So here, let's take an example. So here we have 4 words here. Arm, boy, cat, den. So we'll see the first letter of all the words. A for arm, B for boy, C for cat, and D for den. So these 4 words, these are arranged in alphabetical order. Why? Because these letters, they follow the A to Z order or the alphabetical order. A, we will see the first letter, okay? A, then B, then C, then D. So these are arranged in alphabetical order. The next, we'll see next example. This is fish, nest, owl, zoo. Now the next example, F, N, O, Z. So N comes after F, then O comes after N, and Z comes after O. So these words are arranged in alphabetical order. But one thing, have you noticed, children? A, B, C, D. So these letters are consecutive. That means B comes after A, C comes after B, and D comes after C. That means they are consecutive. But in the second example, F, N, O, Z. Here, N comes after F, but not exactly after F. Then O comes after N. This is okay. Then Z comes after O, but not exactly after O, isn't it? So it is not always necessary that the starting letters of the words in an alphabetical series has to be consecutive. Okay. Now let's take one more example. We have 4 words here. Cake, doll, balloon, apple. Now let's mark the first letters of the words C, D, B, A. So how should we arrange these words alphabetically? So the first word is A for apple. So we'll take this as the first word, apple. The next C, D, B. The next letter that comes in the A to Z order, the alphabetical order is B. That is B for balloon. So we have written this word. Then the next is C. C for cake. Then third word is cake. And the fourth, the last is D. D for doll. So now the words are arranged alphabetically. Now let's take one more example. Our next example is, we have 5 words here and we have to arrange them alphabetically. Class, child, carrot, cabbage, cock. So one thing you notice here, that all these words, the starting letter is the same. They all start with the letter C. So how should we arrange these words in alphabetical order? Because the beginning letter is the same in every word. So how should we arrange them in alphabetical order? So when more than one word begins with the same letter or letters, then we should write the words according to their second or third letter, and so on. That means if the first letter is the same, we'll go to the second letter. If the second letter is the same, we'll go to the third letter. If the third letter is same, we'll go to the fourth letter, and so on. Okay. So the first letter is the same in all these words. So we'll go to the second letter. So the second letter, we have cabbage and carrot. Okay. So the second letter is same, A. We have A in both of them. So we'll go to the third letter. The third letter is R, and here the third letter is B. So we'll take cabbage first. So we have written cabbage. And the next letter will be carrot. So the next word is carrot. We have taken it as the second word, carrot. Then again CH. C is common in every word, and the next letter will be H. Okay, so we've written child. This is the third word, and then after H we have L, isn't it? So CLASS, class. This is the fourth word. Okay, and the last word is cock. COCK. O, isn't it? It comes after L, not exactly after L. So that is why we'll take this as the fifth word, cock. So I hope you all have understood how to arrange the words alphabetically. In the dictionary, words are arranged in alphabetical order. Words that begin with the letter A come before words that begin with the letter B, and so on. So just we have solved a few examples, and we have so many words here, and all these words are arranged alphabetically. See the first column. We'll read the columns vertically. So see the first column. In the first column, all the words start with the letter A. And the second letter, so whenever the first letter is same, we'll go to the second letter, isn't it? We have discussed this in the exercise. So they have arranged AP. Then the first word is APE. And the second word is APPLE, apple. Third word is ARM, arm. Fourth is ASS, ass. And the fifth word is AXE, axe. The same way they have arranged the other words also. The second column, we have the words that start with B. In the third column, the words start with D. In the fourth, the words start with F. The next column, all the words start with the letter M. And in the next column, the words start with the letter R. In the next column, the words start with the letter T. And they have arranged it alphabetically. Okay. Now this is the exercise. Question A. Arrange the following words in alphabetical order. So we have so many words here, and you have to arrange these words in alphabetical order, just the way we have discussed in the examples. Like in the first column, it's written C. That means you have to choose the words that start with C. Okay, and all the C words, that means the words that start with C, all the C words should be arranged alphabetically, and you write it here. In the same way, the words that start with G, that has to be written separately under G column. Then in the H column, the words that start with H. In the L column, the words that start with L. In the M column, the words that start with M. And in the P column, the words that start with P. So you have to arrange these words in alphabetical order. So I hope you have understood. So you'll complete question A in your grammar book. That's all for today. Thank you.